Hey everybody, this is an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Garmin Tempe. Hopefully you're going to be able to see this okay. And as with all my videos, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody out there who's thinking about buying the same item and just wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So this little device, you connect it to your smartwatch and it gives you ambient temperature. So if you've got a temperature sensor on your watch or Garmin device, you can put this anywhere, clip it to your bike, your hunting bag, your shoe, whatever, and it'll actually give you temperature so that it's not skewed from the temperature that's on your wrist. And let's go ahead and open it up. It does run on a battery, it's not rechargeable. They give you the battery. Instruction manual. It's like another instruction manual, maybe warranty information. And then the device. You can see there's not much to it. So it clips onto this little clip. And then here it is. You just basically put the battery in the back of it. And then, let's see if I understand here. Yeah, and then you just clip it back onto your case. And clip this onto anything that you want to get the temperature on. So anyway, that's a quick unboxing video. I hope this helps.